Hi children, today we are performing biology experiment of class 8. Study the nitrogen cycle. Aim: to study the nitrogen cycle. Materials required: chart of nitrogen cycle, notebook, pencil. Method: study the given chart carefully, note down the observations in your notebook. Observations: the cyclic process by which nitrogen elements circulate between biotic and abiotic components of biosphere is called nitrogen cycle. All living organisms need nitrogen for their growth and development. Air contains 78% of nitrogen in the elemental form, which can be fixed and used by plants and animals. The steps involved in the nitrogen cycle are nitrogen fixation, ammonification, nitrification, denitrification, nitrogen assimilation. Nitrogen fixation: conversion of atmospheric nitrogen into usable form of nitrates is called nitrogen fixation. It occurs in three ways. 1. Atmospheric fixation. 2. Biological fixation. 3. Industrial fixation. 1. Atmospheric fixation. In the atmosphere, nitrogen reacts with oxygen to form oxides of nitrogen during lightning and thunderstorms. These oxides of nitrogen then form nitrates. Nitrates fall to earth with rainwater. Biological fixation: the fixation of atmospheric nitrogen by a bacteria, that is Rhizobium bacteria, or an algae, fix the nitrogen. Some plants have nodules in their roots. These plants are capable of fixing atmospheric nitrogen. Such plants are called legumes. Industrial fixation: nitrogen compounds such as urea, ammonium phosphate, ammonium sulfate are manufactured in the industries and are added to the soil as fertilizers to increase fertility. Ammonification: the process of conversion of complex nitrogenous compounds like proteins into ammonia is called ammonification. The bacteria decompose the dead plants and animals, converts their proteins into ammonia in the soil. Nitrification: the waste products of animals containing nitrogen compounds and dead remains of plants are converted into nitrates by putrefying bacteria. This process is known as nitrification. Denitrification: the conversion of nitrate salts present in the soil into free nitrogen gas is called denitrification. It is carried out by denitrifying bacteria. Nitrogen assimilation: the process conversion of nitrates into proteins which become a part of living organisms is called nitrogen assimilation. Conclusion: nitrogen cycle helps in circulation of nitrogen between atmosphere, soil and living organisms. Viva voce. First question: identify the ways in which nitrogen fixation takes place. A. Atmospheric fixation. B. Biological fixation, C. Industrial fixation, D. All of these. Can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is D. All of these. Second question. The conversion of organic compounds such as proteins into ammonia is called dash. A. Ammonification, B. Nitrification, C. Denitrification, D. Nitrogen assimilation. Children, can you guess the answer? Yes, the answer is A. Ammonification.